Founded in 1960 as a regional engineering college, Vishveshwaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur has since become an institute of national importance, holding an overall rating of 4.1 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's find out how good is this VNIT for BTech in this review, starting with its placements rated 3.8 stars. During the 2023-24 placement season, the campus buzzed with 138 recruiters, including names like Amazon, Goldman Sachs, Google, DE Shaw, Oracle, and JP Morgan. Over 600 job offers were extended, with the highest package reaching 64 lakh per annum. The median salary is 10 lakhs per annum, showing no change from the previous year. Interestingly, VNIT Nagpur's median salary figures are similar to those of Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. Students note that the placement rate differs across departments, with CSE consistently exceeding 95%, while other branches typically hover around 80%. Top roles offered include software development engineer, data analyst, graduate engineering trainee, and bug finder. Internships are available after the third year, but students must maintain a CGPA above 9 and have no backlogs to qualify. Moving on to academics, where VNIT Nagpur offers 8 BTech specializations, including computer science, chemical engineering, and mining engineering. Admissions are based on JEE main scores with a minimum requirement of 75% in 10+2. The JEE main cutoff trend suggests an intensified competition for all the specializations in 2024. A quick comparison with MANIT Bhopal reveals a preference among students for VNIT. Coming to its expenses, the total BTech cost can reach up to 5.57 lakh rupees. In terms of value for money rated 4.1 stars, considering the median salary and the total cost, VNIT offers good value for money investment. Moving on to infrastructure, which has a 4.1 star rating on Shiksha.com. The VNIT campus spans approximately 214 acres and is conveniently located 8 kilometers from the railway station and 7 kilometers from the airport. Students describe the campus as lush and Wi-Fi enabled. Older classrooms lack air conditioning, but newer ones are equipped with AC, projectors, TV screens, and computers. The institute boasts strong lab facilities, including those of mechanics, structural analysis, earthquake engineering, and cloud computing. It also has a center of excellence in partnership with Siemens, featuring 11 labs focused on mechatronics, reverse engineering, and smart manufacturing. First-year students share rooms, while single rooms are available from the second year onwards. There is a curfew for the first-year students, which relaxes in subsequent years. Hostel charges range from 1.25 lakhs to 2.75 lakhs annually. The food quality is average but improves with regular feedback. The campus includes a 24/7 hospital offering free healthcare with access to various specialties. Sports facilities are extensive, with options like football fields, basketball courts, lawn tennis, and badminton courts. Students are given the faculty and the course curriculum 4 out of 5 stars and share that the faculty is highly qualified, with many holding PhDs and MTechs from IITs. Known for their effective teaching methods, they readily address doubts across class hours and actively support students with internships and placements. The curriculum is industry focused, incorporating research, industrial visits, and a partnership with ISRO for a space technology incubation center. VNIT's research emphasis has led to a notable alumni, including the pioneer behind India's first supercomputer, Param. Moving on to campus life, that has been rated 4.4 stars. Students enjoy a vibrant atmosphere with over 50 clubs and frequent events. The campus hosts Central India's largest cultural fest, Arohi, and a major tech fest, Access, along with numerous departmental gatherings. Lastly, regarding its NIRF rank, VNIT has improved its ranking, moving to 39th place in the NIRF 2024 rankings, up from 41st place in 2023. For more details on VNIT Nagpur and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.